Remove makeup and clean. Facial treatment. Adjust energy and frequency. It is recommended to set energy between 0.5 to 1 and slowly turns up, and frequency between 4 to 6. Put on protective eyewear for both the customer and the operator. Stand the probe vertically 5 to 6 centimeters from the skin. Push down on the foot pedal. Move the probe slowly from chin in parallel lines. Cover the entire face 2 to 4 times. A slight warm sensation is expected during the process. Neck treatment. Stand the probe vertically 5 to 6 centimeters from the skin. Push down on the foot pedal. Move the probe from the clavicle slowly towards the lower jawline. Cover the entire neck in parallel lines, 2 to 4 times. Remove the protective eyewear. Apply repairing mask, neck mask, and cold compress. Wait for 20 to 30 minutes. Remove the masks and clean the treated area. Carry on with the regular skincare routine.